We will now demonstrate the whipped running stitch. It is similar to the whipped back stitch. The difference between the two is, one uses back stitch as the base. One uses running stitch as the base. Now let's demonstrate. We will first use 6 strands of floss, color number 9 for the embroidery. Bring the needle through at the left end position. Bring the needle down at the front. Leave a little distance and bring the needle through ahead. Keep the stitch distance the same length. We repeat the previous stitching method. Embroider this line from left to right. We will use color number 7 with 6 strands of floss. Bring the needle through from the left end position. Bring the needle through from the bottom to the top. Perform a whipped stitch on it. When whipping the stitch, do not insert the needle into the fabric. Wrap around the original stitches. Wrap the floss without piercing the fabric. Then keep repeating this whipped running stitch step. Bring the needle down at the end position for the last stitch. This whipped running stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished embroidery.